You're silly.
Shoe caca. Mommy, shoe caca.
What?
Shoe caca.
Yeah, be careful.
Shoe caca. Yeah. Shoe caca.
You are silly.
What?
What are you doing? You're silly. Everybody can see you.
Say hi, everybody.
Everybody can see you.
You say it again.
You say it.
How you look? Go your room.
Go to my room. You go to your room.
No, you go your room.
Go to your room.
All right, guys. So I got the Jeffree Star Halloween mystery box here that I'm super excited about to open with everybody tonight. So I guess I'll just go ahead and get started as more people join. So let me just open this up here. I've been waiting like 2 weeks for this, and it came today, and I was like so excited. I couldn't wait to get home and open it with everybody. So just get this open here.
Mommy, why are you shouting?
Get down.
Get down, Kaka, before somebody gets hurt. Alright, and then this is the medium-sized box that he had. He had a really small box that I think was like $40. And then this one was $75, and then he had the Supreme box, which was like $100 and some. So, if I can get this open. Okay. I got it. All right. Alright, so I know in the medium size and the big box, like he gave everybody merch if you got one of those. So for this box, you got a shirt. I don't need it. Throw it away. Throw that away too.
I know you're right.
And this is what the shirt looks like.
Isn't that cool?
Mommy,
Like the letters remind me of like candy corn because they're orange and yellow, like candy corn. So that's pretty cool. I know in the Supreme box, everybody got like his tracksuits, which was really cool. Alright, and then the next thing in the box here is the gloss. It says it's Shea Diet Freeze. Let's see what this looks like here. If I can get it out. Ooh, that is really cute. I love it. I got like 3 like strings going on here. So let's do a little swatch here. Ooh. That's really pretty. I don't know if you can like see that. My laptop camera sucks, so I'm sorry. But it's kind of like a bluish color. It's glittery. Like that's really pretty. Really pretty. Hey, how are you? Alright, and then I got some Skin Frost here. I love the packaging. It's really pretty. Let's see. It says it's it says mystery frost is what it says. So let's see here. Ooh, this is really cute. It's pink. And open it up here. Ooh, it looks like a cookie. I really like that. That's really cute. Look at that. It kind of looks like a cookie. Ooh. Oh my god. That is so stunning. Oh my god. I love it. Look at that. If you all want me to do another Facebook Live, just let me know, because I know the camera quality sucks because it's my laptop. I'm sorry. I will redo it for you all if you want me to. Alright, and then it looks like I got some liquid frost here, liquid highlighter. It's in the shade Heat Wave. I'm good, girl, and thank you so much. Okay. So, if I can figure out how to open it here. So this is one where it's like a little pump. So it gets collected in the little pump here. And then let me just... Ooh. This is really stinking pretty. Look at that. Stunning. I'll probably do this again on Facebook Live because it really, you can't see it that good. So I will redo it here when I get done. Alright, I'll put that back in there in a minute. Alright. And then it looks like there's two lipsticks in here. This is the Velour liquid lipstick. It says it's the shade Bronze Blood. So let's see what this looks like here. Oh, that's really pretty. Look, it's like his lime green top here. That's really, really cute. Ooh, I like that. I would so wear this. Look at that. That's the lipstick right there. This is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Halloween mystery box that he came out with. It actually sold out. Like, I hopped on there like as soon as it went on sale, because I already knew like his stuff always sells out. So I was like, I have to get this one. So it's Jeffree Star Cosmetics, if you've never heard of it. He has really, really good quality stuff. Like, it's a little pricey, but it's worth the money. Like, his eyeshadow palettes are amazing. Like, I love them. They're so buttery and smooth, and they blend so well. Like, I love it. Alright, so the next thing in here is, let's see here, I love this green wrapping though, like that's really cute. Oh my god, I've been wanting this. I wanted the big one, but this is the mini breaker palette that he came out with back in the summer. Oh my god. I am freaking excited about this. Yeah, she's always like running around playing, being her little crazy self. So I'll do some swatches of that in a minute. I forgot about this little lip ammunition. It says it's jawbreaker. So let me swatch this for you all. And his brand is cruelty free, by the way. It is cruelty free for all my cruelty free lovers. Oh my god. This is stunning. I love this. Ooh, I like it. Like, it's not like real intense. It's more kind of glossy, but it has like specks of blue glitter in it. Like, look at that. That is so beautiful. I love it. Love it. Love it. Alright, I'll do some swatches of the palette in a moment here. I think there's one more thing in here, which I think I know what it is. Okay, I think this is the mirror, which I'm so excited about. I've been wanting one of his mirrors, and this one is one that was specifically for the mystery box too. So I'm pretty excited about that. Oh my god. I wanted this one. I love the orange and black. I like the black one too. The black one you can actually buy on his website, but so excited. I'm like a kid in a candy store when it comes to this kind of stuff. Like, I freaking love makeup, but yes. Yes. Hi, how are ya? Jeffree Star style. I'm silly, I'm sorry. Okay, so let's do some swatches here real quick. That's pretty. And this mini palette, it's a 9-pan palette, by the way. Like, oh, these just feel so freaking good. Like, when you just rub them. Like, I'm super excited for his collaboration with Shane Dawson. Like, I'm hopping on there as soon as it's 1 p.m. our time and getting that palette. Like, I'm so excited. Like, it looks so beautiful. I'm so happy for him and Shane. Alright, so this is all the colors swatched. So I'll just do it right here first. So this shade right here is the color Double Scoop. This is Orange Crush right here. This is Foreplay. This sparkly purple is Oral. If you know Jeffree Star like then you know why he named these colors. Yeah, this is so Jeffree Star, these color names. This purple shade right here is Purple Punch. This orangey golden shade is Slice. This pink shade is Bubblegum. This shimmery purple shade is Bite Me. And this is Hot Fudge. Like, just so stunning. Hi, how are you? Welcome. So these are just so cute. Like, oh, I'm so happy. Next time he comes out with a another mystery box, I don't know when that will be. Like, I'm definitely gonna make sure I get it because I love these products. So that's it for this unboxing. I'll be doing it again over on my Facebook because the quality sucked over there. So I will do it again for you guys over there. But thank you so much for joining me and unboxing this box with me. Like, I was so excited. And I will see you all later. Bye.